Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming Line is up to date and you have a chat backup. This prevents data loss if you must reinstall. Once done, enable your device's system dark mode so Line inherits settings automatically. Next, open Line and go to Settings Themes. Make the first actionable change by selecting Dark or System Default. You're now in the initial state where the app recognizes dark preferences and is ready for more precise adjustments. Now you refine how dark mode appears. Open Line Theme settings and choose the official dark theme or a vetted custom theme for deeper contrast control. If your device doesn't show the option, make sure developer options aren't restricting UI themes and check the in-app theme store for downloadable dark skins. Then, tweak chat bubble colors and font contrast so messages remain legible. This ensures dark mode is comfortable across day and night without sacrificing readability. Finish by restarting Line and your device so all UI elements redraw with the new dark palette. This resolves most lingering inconsistencies. Make a final pass through chat bubbles, stickers, and in-app menus, then clear Line cache if artifacts remain. If dark mode still fails to apply to specific screens, reinstall Line while keeping your backup handy. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, toggle system dark mode off and on, then reinstall the app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.